Is it possible for my new spouse to adopt my child? I'm Mark Petersen with Stepparent Law here in Pocatello, Idaho, and we'd love to be able to help families in the adoption process, connect their families together. So to answer that question, first off, the answer is yes, your new spouse can adopt your child. And so what is step-parent adoption? A step-parent adoption is when the new spouse comes in and is willing to assume the legal rights and responsibilities over your child and become the new parent from a legal perspective. Part of that process does require that the original biological parent's rights be terminated in order for the adoption to proceed forward. So when is the right time to consider step-parent adoption? So the basic answer is that if the biological parent has failed to maintain a normal parent-child relationship with your child for more than 1 year, you would have sufficient right to move forward and terminate that parent's rights and proceed with a step-parent adoption. What are you required to prove as part of a step-parent adoption in order to terminate the biological parent's rights? So you have to prove that that biological parent has abandoned or neglected the child, and that can be proven through lack of contact, failing to maintain a normal parent-child relationship, and even failing to support the child through child support or medical support. Those all are connected together in abandonment and neglect. You also have to prove that it is in the best interest of your child to actually be adopted by that new step-parent. So do you have to be married to your partner in order for them to adopt your child? And the answer is no. You don't have to have marriage in order for the adoption to be completed. A lot of times courts want that just so that there's some permanency for the child, but Idaho law does actually allow an adoption to proceed forward if you're not married. Step-parent adoption is a great way to formalize your family relationship and ensure that the child stays within your family unit. And so if you have questions about step-parent adoption, just give us a call at 208-406-9885. We would love to be able to help your family and connect your family together through step-parent adoption.